You have a chainsaw, pull that rope out, and it retracts really slow. Tick, 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 tick. You pull it out again, click, 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 click. You probably just need to lubricate the starter spring in this thing. Or sometimes when you pull it over, it just got this little growly kind of sandy, gritty noise in there. If you have a Stihl chainsaw like this with this little round emblem on it, like that, I don't want to take the starter off of this thing just to lubricate the spring in there. I got a can of lube spray right here, a little red tube on there, but you still can't get that little red tube in there anywhere through those vent holes, anywhere to get at that starter spring. All you need, a little flat screwdriver, maybe a bigger one up. I'll show you how to do this right now. Put that chainsaw over on its side like this, so the emblem is pointing straight up. Take a little screwdriver and check this out. You can actually pop this little logo, little emblem thing, right off of there. Now, you got that logo thing off of there, you got 4 holes in there. If you look down there with a flashlight in those 4 holes, you can clearly see the starter spring is right in there. Boom! Any kind of lubricant, general purpose lubricant, WD-40, whatever you want, you just take that little red tube, put a blast down in there, like that. Take that little logo again, pop that back in there with your thumbs. Next time you go start your chainsaw now, I think you're gonna see a big difference in when you pull that rope out and it retracts better, and it's just gonna feel a lot smoother to you. Even if it doesn't, that's just good general maintenance on a chainsaw to keep that starter spring lubricated at all times. And Stihl makes it really easy for you to do that by popping that cover off of there. You guys got to give me that thumbs up button for this one. I've worked with many mechanics in my life that didn't even know you could do that. Give me that like button there, buddies. And share it with your friends. Subscribe to my channel if you already haven't for more cost-saving tips like this. That's always what I'm trying to do for you guys, is save you money. Till the next video, guys. Steve out.